the mandate secretaries, the area council, Norge, and the staff of FCT, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to brief you that we have had very good meetings with various bodies, the area council, and Norge, and discussions went on very well. We have been able to set up a committee to 2 weeks to come up on the modalities of how these problems will be resolved. And we believe that Norge is satisfied with the arrangement put on ground to resolving these issues. Not theoretical, but being practical. I would believe that in the next 48 hours, Norge should do the needful for the interests of FCT. And we believe in them that they want the development of the FCT. We thank them sincerely for attending this meeting with open mind. I also find the area council chairman attending this meeting with open mind for a quicker resolution. You know, one of the things, when people are going to a meeting, they have a mindset. It's difficult to talk. But when you have an open mind, it's easy to communicate. And this is what we have done today. So I must thank the president of Norge and also thank the AMAC, the Algon chairman for their cooperation, and thank members of the press for their support, and also thank the staff of the FCT, the directors and assistant directors, for equally playing a positive role that is leading to the resolution of this dispute. Thank you and God bless you.
My name is Beatrice Lawrence Gariki. I'm the Mandate Secretary, Area Council Service Secretariat.
Okay, please tell us what the issues are. I understand the teachers have been on strike for 2 weeks in the Area Council. Is this true? What are the issues?
Okay, the meeting today was actually with Norge. I believe NUT is also part of the Norge. So this issue just border around the 40% peculiar allowance, hazard allowance, and other deductions that Norge is actually putting for. And some of these issues range as far back as 2006. So what happened today was basically to understand what these issues are and what are the challenges the area council are actually facing. So, but the Honorable Minister was able to intervene, and we thank God for his wisdom and actually experience. He was able to set up a committee that a 6-man committee that is also been set up, members of the Norge, the Director of Finance from the 6 area councils, and also we from the FCT here.
Did Norge agree this with the position of the minister?
Yeah, it's from our discussion, of course. Norge actually applauded the minister for his speedy intervention and actually responding to their letter. And then when the committee was constituted, and then we all agreed that the strike should be cut off prior to when the report will come out from the committee. So 2 weeks was given, and to be factual, the report should be back on the 10th, and I believe once the report is sent to the minister, we should be having a meeting again and find a more lasting solution to it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That's it.